Welcome to a new part of AppGyver in 1 minute. Until now, it was not possible to collaborate at SAP AppGyver. But that has now changed, at least for BTP customers. With project sharing, collaborators can be added to a project. Each member has a user role that can be defined so that only certain functions are available if required. We have 3 different roles. First, the viewer. This role allows read-only actions such as viewing and deploying projects. Second, developer. Employees with this role can edit the project themselves, release it, edit dependencies in the project and publish it in the library. Last but not least, administrator. The admin role provides full access. In addition to the developer functions, the project can also be deleted, for example. Just go to the quick access page of your AppGyver and add all the people that you want to collaborate with. I hope you enjoyed this video and we will see us in the next video of Learning AppGyver.